question pa.
In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square.
Yeah. So problem number 15, exercise 6.5. So what is given? Triangle ABC. What type of triangle is ABC?
Equilateral triangle.
It means AB is equal to BC, which is equal to AC. Am I right, pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because equilateral triangle, that means AB, BC and AC are equal. Okay. So D is a point. D is a point on the side BC. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then important equation has been given. What is that? BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. Am I right, pa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. That means, see, BC is one side of a triangle. How about BD? 1/3 of BC. That means you have to split BC into 3 equal parts. Out of 3 equal parts, one part is BD. Am I right, pa? Such that you have to choose D point and you have to join BD. Right? Okay. What is to be proved? That's very important to prove, because given we have written, then to prove. 9
AD square is equal to
AD square is equal to 7AB square.
7
AB square.
AB square.
9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Okay, so we have to make a small construction. Draw.
AE perpendicular to BC.
Yeah, AE perpendicular to
BC.
BC. Since it
BC.
is an equilateral triangle, how about point E to the side BC?
Sir, it's a big point, sir. Midpoint of
Yeah, E is the midpoint. BE and EC are equal. Am I right, pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right? You have to keep this thing in mind. Now we'll proceed to the proof. So in triangle ABC, that is an equilateral triangle. In triangle ABC, right? BE is equal to EC. How?
Sir, midpoint of BC.
Sir, in
E
equilateral
is the
triangle,
midpoint. So
sir, in equilateral
E,
triangle, perpendicular is also bisector of center.
yes. In an equilateral triangle, if you draw a perpendicular line, right, the particular point E will bisect the side. So BE and EC are equal. Okay. Now, instead of BE, I am writing BC divided by BE is equal to B.
2.
Very good. BC by 2. Shall I write BC by 2 as AB by 2? If so,
Yes, sir.
how?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
because BC is equal to AB is equal to
Yeah.
AC.
So ABC is very good. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So instead of BC, AB, it is given here. AB is equal to BC. This is equation 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more element I am going to, you have to keep this thing in mind. Equation is very important. We will be substituting later when applying Pythagoras theorem. Second one, D. I am going to find the value of D. Check it out. Where is D? Here it is. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So D is equal to BE minus.
E minus BD.
DD.
Very good. Am I right, pa? Everyone agreed? B
Yes,
DE is equal to, from BE, if you subtract BD, you will get B. So instead of BE, what shall be applied? Instead of BE, see BE minus BD. So I'm going to substitute value for BE and BD.
So EC minus BD.
See, the proof is related to AD and AB. So whatever you convert, you make sure you are converting into AB and AD. So BE is equal to AB by 2 minus BD. Given, check it out, given BD value. given.
1 by 3
AB
by 1 by 3 BC.
Sir, 1 by 3 BC.
Sir,
Sir.
1
Shall I
by
write
3.
here BC by 3?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What about AB and BC?
Equal. Equal.
Yeah. So shall I write AB instead of BC?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
AB by 2 minus AB by 3. That is the value of D. Am I right, Pa? Now simplify and tell me what is the value of D. AB by 2 minus AB by 3. Cross multiply and tell me the value.
AB by 6.
AB by 6.
Very good. AB by 6. Let it be equation 2. Now I have found two different value. One is BE value, that is AB by 2. Another one is DE value, which is
AB
AB
by
by
6.
6. Can you able to find any right angle triangle in triangle ABC? Because ABC is not a right angle triangle.
Yes,
ABC
sir.
is an equal triangle. Any
Yes,
right
sir.
angle
Triangle
triangle? Yeah.
ABE and triangle AEC.
AEC.
In
ABE.
right
AEB.
triangle A
EB.
EB and
B.
AEC.
Yeah. So we are not going to consider this part of the triangle. Okay. Left hand side alone. One is A, E, B.
B.
Another one A, E, D.
D.
Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Because only when you take AED, you'll be getting the side AD. Am I right? Which is required for the
Yes,
proof. Am I
sir.
right? The same way, when you take AEB, you'll getting AB. That is why I'm taking these two right angle triangles. Okay. So apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEB. By Pythagoras.
AB
Tell me.
square is equals to
AB
BE
square
square
is
plus
equal to
AE square.
So AB square is equal to
BE square plus AE
AE
square.
square plus BE square. Then what is AE square from here? Tell me. Tell me the value of AE square.
AB square minus BE square.
So BE square minus AB square.
Tell me, Pa. AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Then AE square is equal to
AB square minus BE square.
square minus BE square. So now what I'm going to substitute the relevant values. AE square is equal to, what is AB square? You have to keep it as AB square. Reason, we need AB square. Am I right, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Right? So BE square. I need AD and AB alone. So BE, check it out, equation 1.
AB square by 4, sir.
Yeah. AB square by 4, because see, in equation 1, BE value is AB by 2. On squaring, AB square by 4. Right? Multiply 4 on both sides. Multiply 4 on both sides. Or let it be there. Okay.
Yes.
Let it be as a, so you can simplify these things, right? Yeah, tell me. A square is equal to
3A square by 4, sir.
3
3ab square by 4.
Yeah, 3ab square by 4. Let this be equation 1, 2, 3.
3.
Right. So next right triangle. One more right triangle which has AD as one of the side.
AED.
A right angle is
ED.
ED. Apply Pythagoras theorem.
AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square.
Square.
Yes. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE
D
square.
square.
Here also you have to find the value of AE square. What is AE square from this equation?
D square
AD
minus
square
AD.
minus DE square. Am I right, pa? I am going to find
Yes.
AE square value. So transpose DE square here. So AD minus A. So no issues. AD square you can keep as it is because AD is involved in the final proof minus DE. Equation 2. From equation 1, the last triangle, this triangle requires help from equation 2. What is DE value?
AB by 6.
AB
AB
So
square
AB
by
square by,
36.
so we have got this one from equation 2 here from equation 1. Am I right? Reason you have to mention. This is equation 4. Check out equation 3 and 4.
We can equate it, sir.
Yeah, both left hand side see AE square, AE square. So both equations are same. Another AE square equate பண்றேன் நான். So AE square, AE square. Left hand side are equal. So obviously right hand side is also equal on the right. So equate it. என்ன வரும்? 3 AB square by 4 is equal to
Equals to AD
AD square minus
minus AB
AB
square
AB
by
square by
36.
36.
36.
Yeah. Transpose the AB square by 36 here. So 3 otherwise you do one thing, you multiply with 36 on both sides. 36 on both sides, multiply 36 on both sides. What happened, pa? Multiply 36 on, so if you multiply 36 on both sides, what do you get? Multiply 36 on both sides, pa, what happened? Multiply 36 on both sides.
So 27ab square is equal to
So simple thing I'm asking, multiply 36 on both sides னு எல்லாரும் தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். ரொம்ப யோசிக்கிறீங்க.
The 27ab square.
So when you multiply 36, yeah, when you multiply 36, you know, like 4 and 36 get cancelled, 9 into 3, so 27 AB square is equal to 36
36
AD square. When you multiply 36 in the last term, 36 get minus AB
minus
square.
AB square.
Transpose minus AB square to the left hand side. So already 27 AB square, this minus will become plus, therefore
plus AB square.
28 AB square is
8 AB
equal to
square is equals to
36 AD
36
square.
AD square.
Right? Now almost we are on the end of the proof. So 28 and 36.
the fourth table.
7ab square is equal to 9ab.
That's it. So
Square is equal to
multiples of
9.
4. So 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square, which is the required proof. Hence proof. Clear, pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.